Okay, let's try these two questions. First, an inequality. Well, the first part of this quadratic inequality is just the same as solving any quadratic. You just take away the 4, you factor it or put it into the formula, and 2x times 2x squared plus 8x minus 1x is 7x, and minus 1 times 4 is minus 4. These are your two zeros. Now, for some reason, people have quite a bit of difficulty figuring out where does this go negative. Well, it's a positive. If you had the parabola y equals 2x squared, you know that it's a happy parabola, and you know that the places that make it 0 are minus 4.5. I asked ChatGPT to give me a visual explanation of why this is the answer. X is less than a half or greater than minus 4. And this is what it did. It made the parabola. And it made it in blue, all the places where the y value is going to be negative, where this product is going to be less than 0. And it's in between minus 4 and 1/2. So x is less than or equal to a half, and it's greater than or equal to minus 4. That's the solution set right in here. Now you could test different values for x in here and see that it's true, but this is the visual way of doing it. Now this one, solve for x and y simultaneously. Well, here we're going to isolate one of the letters. I think it's good to isolate x. X equals, I add 5 and take away 2y. X equals this. Now, wherever I see an x, I substitute in 5 minus 2y. Now, it's a little bit tricky. You got to square this thing with y. You get 25 minus 2y plus 4y squared. You get y times 5, and it's minus 5y. Y times y is minus 2y squared, but it's minus 2. That's plus 2y squared. Okay, now we've got minus 16y squared. We've got plus 4y squared. That's minus 12y squared. We've got minus 80 minus 20. That's plus 80 minus 5. That's 75y. And then we've got minus 4 times 25. That's minus 100. We minus another 9. We get minus 108. We can divide everything by negative 3. And you get it down to 4y squared minus 25 plus 36. And then you just factor it. 4y times y, 9 times 4 gives me the 36. And minus 9y minus another 16y is minus 25y. If you're not good at factoring, you could put this into the formula and you get your two values for y. 9 over 4, or 4. And then put those y values back in there. Put y is equal to 4 in there. And y is equal to 9 over 4, you'll get two values for x. X is a half, or x is minus a third. So that's how you do it. There you go. That's the solution is 9/4 over and a half, and 4 and minus 3. All done.